Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone aeroplane mode. How can we disable? So friends, you don't want to use guys your Infinix phone aeroplane mode setting as you want to disable it. So friend, how can you disable today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to disable your aeroplane mode. After on phone setting guys, you can see this tab settings. So once click on guys your phone more connection setting guys, tap on more connection. Once you can see guys your Infinix or aeroplane mode setting. Right side guys you can see guys this icon. So friends you will have to click on this icon, then guys your aeroplane mode will disable guys. You cannot use guys your Infinix phone aeroplane mode, and friends now you can use guys your all network, mobile network, internet setting without any problem. And friends you can use guys your also phone call setting guys without any problem guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you have understood how to disable aeroplane mode. So bye guys.